Hi, good day. So I will teach you how to change the IP address of City Post weighing scale. So let's start. So let's power on the device. Okay, so all are set up. So this is the procedure. Hold the F probe, then press probe. Okay. Okay, we're now on the spec parameter spec. So press X, then input 150. So we are now on 192. So the next one is 151. Again, F probe X. Okay, it's correct. 168. The next one is 152. Cancel. Probe X. Now it shows 00. So you need to change to 100. To confirm, amend. Okay. So to check, probe 152. Oh, sorry. Press X. 152. Showing 100. Okay, next is 153. F probe X. 153. 0 means DHCP, but if you want to modify, then type the IP address that you want to, then amend. Okay, to check, F probe X 153. Okay, thanks.